Hey you guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I got a box from my friends over at Scans. I've had a few Scans products in the recent months, and I'm reviewing two more items from Scans today. First thing we're going to open up today is a portable cordless lithium-ion battery powered 1/4 inch impact. Yes, I've had Scans impacts before, and I've had a whole bunch of other impacts. But this is the one with the little battery that goes into the handle of the tool. So it's more portable and more compact, so you can get into tighter spaces, and also it's lighter than the usual one with the big 4 amp battery on it. This is probably a 2 amp battery, and it's also 16 volts. So let's open it up and see what we find. So here's the Scans SC2161-1. 16 volt cordless impact driver. 1/4 inch, I believe. When you open it up, it has your instruction manual, which I never read. Your obvious battery charger that you plug into a 110 AC. And the small battery that it comes with. And this is a 2 amp per hour lithium ion battery, and it plugs in just normally like such. It doesn't have one of those gauges where it tells you how much battery life it is because it's so small. It also comes with your drill bit set, and in the set you have an adapter, the chuck, if you will, and it has flathead, all assorted sizes of flathead, Phillips, Torx, and the kind that you use the outdoor patio decking square one there. So pretty much everything you need for small jobs around the house or when you're working on your car or anything mechanical. And it also has a few widely used magnetic sockets, probably a 5/16 size or 11/32, plus flathead and Phillips on both sides, so you can just carry this around. The tool itself, like I said, is a more compact version of it. Everybody makes one of these, such as Milwaukee and DeWalt and stuff. ABS plastic housing with rubber hand grips here. Like I said, it was 16 volt. You loosen screws that way, tighten screws that way. Clockwise, counterclockwise. Also has a small LED light here. And this area here is also rubber coated. Sharp, huh? From Scans. Let's put the battery in and see how it works. Nice. So it comes with two 8mm ones. I would have preferred if you gave me a very well-used one, such as 10mm, which is very useful, or also a 5/16. But to give me two 8mm ones, it's kind of a waste, isn't it? Just my opinion. And that's what you guys are here for, my opinion of it. Because I work on small engine equipment on a daily basis, and I use these tools every day, you would figure I could tell you what's most commonly used and what isn't. So we're going to pick one of these widely used bits. You have to remember that your bit has to be perfect, otherwise it won't drive in the screw properly. So I guess we'll use this one here for your usual wood screws. And of course it's magnetic, see? So it won't pop out unless you lift the chuck, see? And the bit won't come out. Very nice. As you can see, my collection of charging bases is a little out of control, but I have so many tools, see? So to charge it, you would just put it in here. It turns red, meaning that it's charging. When it becomes green again, you know that it's fully charged. Let's open up the second box today. Okay, the second product from Scans today is the SC3161-1. This is a 16-volt, 10mm cordless impact drill. Similar to a hammer drill or an impact wrench, but probably with drill bits. Instruction manual. This cute little pink bag. That's what all us high testosterone males, alpha males, need in a garage. Is a nice pink little bag. Maybe for your daughter or something. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. So here is the similar small and similarly shaped and also designed rubber coating with ABS plastic housing. Loosen, tighten, or clockwise, counterclockwise. Plus it has a speed or torques setting of 1 or 2. 2 would probably be the most. And you have your chuck here. Let's try the battery. Comes with the same type of charging stand. And it has the LED light here. Very nice. So as you can see, it's a variable speed. You can go slow and then faster if you want. Good RPMs. To use your torque settings over here, you can adjust torque settings from very little, right, or very high in torque. Ooh, so you can't even grip it, you know what I mean? You just grip this, loosen, and this chuck opens up so you can slip your drill bits or screwdriver bits in there. Very cool looking, huh? Very small and compact, and that's why they make these, is because it's nice and small and lighter weight than the other conventional impacts or drills. Let's see what's in the pink bag. Okay, your the same kit of drill bits with your chuck. You've got some sockets, which are very cool. I wish that the impact would include more sockets like this. There's an adapter in here where you can plug into it along with that chuck. You can plug into an adapter, this one over here, where it allows you to put these sockets on there. So very cool. I like that. I like that a lot. I like it that it has all these accessories. Look at this. You guys know what this is? You can put a drill bit here or a socket, right? And you could turn it in each direction, see? So when you have this in here, right? Look at that. Here, let me put one of these in there. Here, I'll just take this one. Let's say you have a screw that's in an area that you just can't reach, right? You put your screw in there, and now you can turn it in any direction you want because it's a swivel flex adapter. Look at that. Now you can turn it as slow or as fast as you want. That's very handy. Very cool. I like that a lot. And loosen. And to take it out. That's it. Also in the bag, we have assorted bits. This is a dual-sided one. So you would think that it has some kind of a little bracket on here where you can clip it on. See, that would be the smart thing to do, is if you had a little thing here, you can just clip that on so you don't have to go to a kit to find your bits, right? I've had tools like that. This is for masonry, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, leave it in the comments. A longer dual Phillips bit. And some drill bits, probably the most useful ones. and these are golden color, so therefore they're for steel. The black ones are for wood, and the silver ones are for masonry. I think. You guys correct me if I'm wrong. So that's what's in the little cute pink bag. Very manly. Obviously, I'm being facetious. So if you wanted to make a bag, mostly the predominant demographic for tools and wrenching, I don't want to be sexist or anything, it's predominantly men. So you might want to make this black or blue or something like that. But pink, it takes a little bit of the masculinity away from some men here in America. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah. So this works the same way. Let's try out both these tools on a piece of wood, eh? You know what? I'm going to put a drill bit in this one. And the challenging one is a middle-sized one, you know, because a thin one is very easy to drill through. But we'll test it with a medium-sized one. There we go. So we'll test this for drilling. We'll test that one for screws. Okay, here I am with my test piece of wood. As you guys know, I am a professional product reviewer. So I do a lot of testing. As you also can see, I have a lot of power tools that have been sent to me for review. This one's a similar one to the one we just got from Milwaukee. I put a bigger battery on there because I don't like the smaller batteries, but we'll see how this one goes. Also have lots of tools here as well. So let's drill this typical wood screw in here, see how fast it does. So we've got a good little angle here. Let's try the screw first. Good thing about buying a lineup of scans tools is that the batteries are interchangeable. So you buy one, you basically have two batteries, you know what I mean? So we're gonna put it on this setting here, which is to clockwise, tighten, right? And I think that is the right, you know, the fitting here, it's got to fit just perfectly. You're going to have ones that are too wide so that it doesn't really grip it and they end up stripping it. You just have to make sure you have about the right one. So let's put this one in. Go slow and then nice. And then take it back out again. There we go. Does the job. Let's try the drill now. Goes in the same way. Nice. Fast, easy. Drill your holes. Now this again is for metal. This is wood. If you had wood ones, it'd be a lot easier, I think. Very nice. So there you have it. We've got your two scan tools today, the 1/4 inch impact as well as the power drill. Both 16 volt, both with 2 amp per hour batteries. And as you saw from our demonstration, it works just fine. These are more compact, more lightweight, just easy to just grab and use for whatever you need. They're not very expensive at all, and it seems to be very good quality. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested, and we'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.